very often the first ideas that you're having are the best ones and the most inspired ones. In this program, I want to show you how I work here at my studio, and I want to guide you to the process, how I'm arranging a track, how I'm mixing a track. In this chapter, we're focusing on the drums, which is, of course, one of the key elements of a club track. I want to show you how I would typically treat the drum boss of a track during the mixdown. I guarantee you that every mastering engineer will be happy if you take care of this in the mix already, because doing these kinds of operations on the master always can have some side effects that we don't really want. I love the sound. This is my world. This is my desert island instrument. We want to create a patch from scratch, which means we are going to go step by step through the process, and we'll end up with a techno bass line that we can use as the foundation for a track. Of course, I'm also using software synthesizers. In my opinion, the combination of all these tools is what gets the best results. I can only say again that I really would like to encourage you to listen closely to what you're doing, and it just takes practice, and at some point you will just know what's right.